What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, thanks for coming in. My name is Mark Plant. This is MPV Vlogs. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, thanks for coming in. Please hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. Helps the channel out a lot. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Please hit that bell icon. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a video like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, what we're going to do is a real simple one here. We're going to do an unboxing of a Ozark Trail outdoor equipment 10x10 canopy, slant leg canopy. Supposed to be durable, 64 square foot, and up to UPF of up to 50 plus. Okay, you can find more information on this on walmart.com. We got this at Walmart. We've had a canopy before that broke. We paid about $100 for it. It was a 10x10, and these were $39.97 at Walmart. So we ended up picking up two. A lot cheaper than the 100. Let's see if it's actually worth it or whether we wasted our money and we should have just bought the $100 10x10. So let's open this thing up and see. Nice canvas carrying case. Pretty typical with it. Oops. And there we go. Security plastic thingy holding it together. So open it up. It is actually, it's pretty well packaged. Nice aluminum legs. Not bad. Let's bring it in closer so you can see what I have here. All right, well, like I said, pretty sturdy aluminum legs. We have instructions are actually sewn right on the inside of the package. I'm assuming this is the tarp here. Yeah, that's really thin. Okay. Gotta throw that away. We got a notification here. It's not intended to be used as a permanent structure. Yeah, I kind of figured that. So we say we take this out of the case and let's set this thing up. It's got some good weight to it. Oops, almost got. We got ground spikes here, so the wind won't take it. So we're gonna set up right over here. All right, so let's get it out of the cardboard here. Actually, it'd probably be best just to put it right on the ground. Oop, there it goes. Slide the cardboard right up. Nice. Okay. And let's get this table out of the way here so I have some room. All right, so with any that I've done, it's just a matter of pulling them apart. Okay, I get to pull the pot there. Should be two people, but I don't have a second person right now, so let's see what we can do. It's new, so it's going to be hard to open. What I'm going to do is peg one of the legs down, so I got the pegs right here, tied with a knot. Open it up. Okay, this is a typical camping spike. I'm going to put it into the leg so that I can pull this thing apart. Yep, that helped. And I am not in a good position right here. You know what? I'm going to lift these legs up, see if that works. There we go. That's what it was. That one was. All right, that was a little harder than it should have been. I had two people, it would have been a lot easier, but now what I have to do is lower it back down so I can put the canvas on the top of it. So, just click that. That should go down. That should go down. Hopefully I don't knock myself out here. Should go down. And that one should go down. So now the top is right where I need it to be. Okay, now what I need to do is put the top on here. I gotta unhook the mic on that because I'll knock the camera over and I'll cry. So let's get this on. I may when I take the next one out.
Okay.
It's kind of a struggle doing it by yourself. All right, everyone, I got the canopies up. They're fairly good quality. For 40 bucks, you really can't go wrong. Now, they're never going to withstand a winter storm or a gale force wind or anything like that. I mean, this top here is really thin, but I think it'll keep you dry. I mean, unless it's a deluge, you're really not going to have any problems. The only thing that I see is you make sure over here to get all the Velcro strapped around this frame. There are metal spikes that go into the ground, and then there's guides that tie it down to the ground so that the wind won't pull it up. But I mean, other than that, it's a 10x10 canopy. They're really easy to put up. You need two people though. Definitely need two people to put it up. So that's it. I mean, this worked out really good. So I'm happy with it. I think we made a good investment. All right, everyone, I got the two canopies up. That's going to be it for this video. I recommend these. Like I said, Walmart has them for $39.97. I'll try to put a link below where you can purchase them online. They're not $200 canopies. They're probably not going to last me for more than a year or two, but for the price, it's really not bad. So, yeah, it is what it is. But thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Again, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, thanks for coming in and watching all the way to the end. Please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really does help the channel out. Helps me buy stuff like this. If you're already a subscriber, thank you guys so much. I do appreciate it. Make sure to hit that bell icon. You get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll try to get you the answer as quick as I can. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Let me know down below why you didn't like the video. In any case, my name is Mark Plant. This is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.